Hello students, this is the next lecture for SY BCom students. Name of the subject is Business Statistics. Lecture number 57, Semester 3, Theory of Attributes. We are going to take revision lecture in which we will cover important concepts with multiple choice question and correct answers. A revision lecture for SY BCom with multiple choice question answers. Many times we need to analyze qualitative data. The tools required in such situations are discussed in this topic, that is theory of attributes. Mainly, the interrelation between two qualitative characteristics is studied using coefficient of association. It is similar to correlation in case of quantitative variables. Sometimes it becomes essential to collect data according to qualitative characteristic. For example, result of the candidate, it is recorded as pass or fail. Similarly, blood group, sex, religion, defectiveness of articles, marital status, etc. are qualitative characteristic or attributes. So definition of attribute. A qualitative characteristic is called as attribute. For example, sex, nationality, literacy, etc. We classify attributes into different groups according to similarities. For example, we make several groups of successful candidates according to grades such as first class, second class, third class, third class. Similarly, sex-wise groups are male and female. Dichotomy. When we classify the observations by making two groups, the classification is called as dichotomy. In dichotomous situation, we put all items possessing a particular attribute in one group and the remaining in the other group. In other words, we classify the observations according to presence or absence of an attribute for dichotomous classification. Notation. Dichotomy. It is customary to denote the presence of attribute by capital letters A, B, C, etc. and absence of corresponding attributes by Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma, etc. For example, if A denotes male, alpha denotes female. Sometimes an observation is described with the help of two or more attributes simultaneously. For example, rural male. In this case, we use combination of two attributes. Accordingly, if A denotes rural, B denotes male, then AB denotes rural male. Alpha beta denotes urban female. Alpha B denotes urban male. A beta denotes rural female. Further, if C denotes literate person, then ABC will denote rural literate male. Class. Symbols such as A, AB, A beta C denote a class of observations. Class frequency. The number of observations belonging to a particular class is called as class frequency. It is denoted by the respective class symbol enclosed in brackets. For example, bracket A denotes frequency of class E. Positive attributes. The attributes denoted by capital letters A, B, C, etc. are called as positive attributes. Negative attributes. The attributes denoted by Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma are called as negative attributes. So, for example, alpha, alpha beta, alpha gamma, beta gamma, alpha beta gamma are negative classes. Order of classes. A class denoted by combination of n attributes is called as nth order class. Therefore, A, B, alpha, beta, etc. are first order classes. AB, alpha beta, A beta and alpha B are second order classes. ABC, alpha BC, alpha beta gamma, etc. are third order classes. See the total number of class frequencies for two attributes. Order 0, class frequency is n, number of classes is 1. Order 1, for two attributes there are 4 class frequencies A, B, alpha and beta. So number of classes are 4. For two attributes we will have AB, alpha B, A beta and alpha beta. So total number of classes are 4. And overall for two attributes number of classes becomes 9. 1 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 becomes 9. For three attributes, they have given us the table as order 0. There is only one class frequency, that is n. Number of classes is 1. First order classes A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma. So there are 6 number of first order classes for 3 attributes. Second order classes for 3 attributes AB, A beta, alpha B, alpha beta, BC, beta C, B gamma, beta gamma, AC, alpha C, A gamma, alpha beta. So there are 12 number of classes for of order 2 for 3 attributes. For order 3, ABC, A beta C, A B gamma, A beta gamma, alpha BC, alpha beta C, alpha B gamma, alpha beta gamma. So there are 8 classes, number of classes for 3 attributes. So if we take the total 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8, total becomes 27. Number of classes are 27 for third order for 3 attributes. So relations among the class frequencies, let n be the total frequency, then n is equal to A plus alpha. N can be written as B plus beta. Frequency of class A is equal to AB plus A beta. Frequency of class B is equal to AB plus alpha B. Frequency of class alpha can be written as alpha B plus alpha beta. Frequency of class beta can be written as A beta plus alpha beta. So we can put the values in the tabular form as A alpha total, B beta total. A and B, so this frequency becomes AB, alpha B, A beta, alpha beta. So AB plus A beta becomes frequency of class A, alpha B plus alpha beta becomes total of alpha. AB plus alpha B becomes frequency of class B, A beta plus alpha beta becomes frequency of class beta. So alpha can be written as n minus frequency of A, beta is nothing but n minus frequency of class B. Alpha B is nothing but B minus AB. A beta is nothing but A minus AB. And alpha beta can be calculated as n minus A minus B plus AB. The conditions for consistency of the two attributes, AB must be less than or equal to A, AB must be less than or equal to B, and AB must be greater than or equal to A plus B minus N. Next concept is independence of attributes. Two attributes A and B are said to be independent if and only if frequency of class AB is equal to frequency of class A into frequency of class B upon N. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say that the attributes A and B are independent. Association and dissociation. Attributes A and B are said to be positively associated if frequency of class AB is greater than frequency of class A into frequency of class B upon N. Attributes A and B are said to be negatively associated or dissociated if AB is less than or equal to frequency of class A into frequency of class B upon N. Then use coefficient of association. The formula is given as QAB is equal to AB into alpha beta minus A beta into alpha B divided by AB into alpha beta plus A beta into alpha B. Multiple choice questions. Choose the correct alternatives out of 4 alternatives given below. Question number 1. Attribute is A part is a quantitative characteristic, B a measurable characteristic, C a qualitative characteristic, and D none of the above. So out of these 4 alternatives, the correct alternative is C a qualitative characteristic. Second multiple choice question. Which of the following is not an example of attribute? A. Literacy, B. Intelligence, C. Blindness, and D. Number of pages in a book. So the correct answer is D. Number of pages in a book. Third question. If we divide the observations into more than 2 groups, the subdivision is called as A. Autonomous classification, B. Dichotomous classification, C. Manifold classification, and D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Manifold classification. Fourth question. Classification according to grades obtained in an examination is an example of A. Dichotomous classification, B. Autonomous classification, C. Manifold classification, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Manifold classification. Question number 5. Which of the following is an example of attribute characteristic? A. Height, B. Weight, C. Wages, and D. Blood group. And the correct answer is D. Blood group. Question number 6. The classes which possess the given attribute are called as A. Symmetric classes, B. Positive classes, C. Negative classes, and D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Positive classes. Question number 7. The number of observations belonging to a particular class is known as A. Order of class, B. Negative classes, C. Class frequency, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Class frequency. Question number 8. The notation AB represents A. Combination of attribute A and B, B. The class of attributes A and B, C. The frequency of class AB, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. The frequency of class AB. Next question. The number of letters used to denote a class is called as A. Manifold class, B. Dichotomous class, C. Order of class, and D. Frequency of class. And the correct answer is C. Order of class. 10th question. The combination of letters ABC of attributes is known as class of A. First order, B. Second order, C. Third order, and D. Fourth order. So, and the correct answer is C. Third order. Next example. Any class frequency can be expressed as a sum of frequencies of A. Zero order classes, B. Lower order classes, C. Higher order classes, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Higher order classes. See the next question. With 3 attributes, the total number of class frequencies of order is equal to A. 8, B. 9, C. 27, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is 27. Actually, number of class frequencies of all orders. So it is nothing but 27. Question number 13th. Ultimate class frequencies means the frequencies of the classes of A. Zero order, B. Lowest order, C. Highest order, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Highest order. Next question. With 3 attributes, the total number of ultimate class frequencies is A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, and D. None of the above. Correct answer is C, 8. 15th question. With the two attributes, the total number of ultimate class frequencies is A, 2, B, 4, C, 6, D, none of the above. Correct answer is B, 4. Next question. In case of two attributes A and B and their negation alpha and beta respectively, the frequency of B in terms of ultimate class frequency is A, alpha beta plus AB, B, AB plus A beta, C, AB plus alpha B, and D, none of the above. Correct answer is C, AB plus alpha B. 17th question. In case of two attributes A and B, the class frequency A beta in terms of other class frequencies can be expressed as A, AB minus B, B, N minus AB, C, A minus AB, and D, AB minus E. Correct answer is C, A minus AB. Next question. With the three attributes A, B, and C, the number of first order classes is A, 6, B, 9, C, 12, D, none of the above. Correct answer is A, 6. Next question. With three attributes A, B, and C, the number of second order classes is A, 6, B, 8, C, 9, D, none of the above. Correct answer is D, none of the above, because in three attributes second order classes are 12. What are they? AB, A beta, alpha B, alpha beta, BC, beta C, beta gamma, B gamma, beta gamma, AC, alpha C, A gamma, alpha gamma. So total becomes 12. Next question. In case of three attributes A, B, and C, the frequency alpha in terms of positive class frequencies is A, N minus BC, B, N minus B minus C, C, N minus A, D, N minus A minus B minus C. And the correct answer is C, N minus E. Next question. In case of three attributes A, B, and C, the frequency beta gamma can be expressed in terms of frequencies with positive class frequencies as A, 1 minus B minus C plus BC, B, N plus B plus C minus A BC, C, N minus B minus C plus BC, and D, none of the above. The correct answer is C, N minus B minus C plus BC. Now we can see the working. We want beta gamma. Beta can be written as 1 minus B. Gamma can be written as 1 minus C dot N. So 1 into 1 becomes 1. 1 into B becomes B. C into 1 becomes minus C. And minus C into minus B becomes plus BC dot N. So 1 dot N is N. B dot N is B. C dot N is C. And BC dot N is BC. So N minus B minus C plus BC is the correct answer. Next question. In case of three attributes A, B, and C, the frequency of B in terms of ultimate class frequencies is equal to A, ABC plus AB gamma plus alpha BC, B, ABC plus AB gamma plus A beta gamma, C, ABC plus alpha BC, and D, ABC plus AB gamma plus alpha BC plus alpha B gamma. And the correct answer is D, ABC plus AB gamma plus alpha BC plus alpha B gamma. Next question. Given frequency of class A is 150, frequency of class A beta is 50, frequency of class B is 180, and frequency of class AB is equal to 100, and N is 270. The class frequency alpha beta is equal to, we have to calculate alpha beta. The options are given as A 80, B 90, C 40, and D 120. And the correct answer is C 40. See the working. We'll write A alpha total, B beta total. The values are given. Total of A is 150, N is equal to 270. Total of class B is 180. Frequency of A beta is 50. So A beta is 50. Frequency of AB is 100. So AB will write 100. So 100 plus 50 is 150. 270 minus 150 will give us 120. 270 minus 180 will give us 90. 180 minus 100 will give us 80. 120 minus 80 will give us 40. So the answer is 40. We want to find alpha beta. Alpha beta, the frequency is 40. Next question. Out of 500 persons, 450 were inoculated against cholera and 100 were attacked by cholera. If among the number of persons who were inoculated, 50 were attacked by cholera, then the number of persons who were neither inoculated nor attacked by cholera is A is 50, B is 400, C is 0 and D is 40. The correct answer is C, 0. See the working. We will write A as inoculated, B as attacked by cholera. So A alpha total, B beta total. The values are given. N is 500, which is given. Frequency of class A is 450. Frequency of class B is 100. AB is given as 50. So 450 minus 50 will give us 400. See, 500 minus 100 will give us 400 and 400 minus 400 will give us 0. So we want to find alpha beta. The value of alpha beta is 0.